Hi, this video is going to hopefully answer some questions about how to embed PowerPoints and documents into FrogOS. So we're going to need one thing for this really. We're just going to need a Skydrive account. It's a free account that you can sign up for. I think it's 7 gigabytes of free space. But if you already have a Microsoft account, then you probably already have one set up. So just try and sign in with your existing account. I will make a link for this in the content of the blog as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is, if I just go back to this, you can see that I've got a few different things, and I'm going to go into my public folder. It's important that it is in the public folder, because you're about to share something online. It needs to be somewhere online where you can actually share it from. So I'm going to upload, and I'm going to select my 2 files here that I'd like to upload. So I'm going to upload this PowerPoint Macbeth in 10 steps, and that's uploading for me here. And then I'm also going to upload a PDF as well. So let's just wait for that to finish. There we go. Let's upload this Macbeth PDF as well. So I'm going to start submitting some of my course materials so that people can access them from FrogOS, but without having to download them and view them. And also, I don't really want to lose some of the kind of maybe the animations that I've got and the kind of flow of the presentation as it goes, and revealing certain bullet points as it goes. So I'm just going to use this to try and do that. So I'll just wait for that to finish uploading. There we go. And what I need to do is I need to just select one of these by just ticking the box. So I'm going to tick the box here on my PowerPoint, and I'm going to go to this embed here. So let's select embed. You can see here that it's telling me that I can generate a code, so let's generate that. And then over here it's going to show me exactly what I'm going to get when I actually embed. So it's going to load this nice window here. It's a PowerPoint web app, as it says, and it's going to then load up the presentation as it normally would in PowerPoint. So as I flick through the slides, it kind of goes through as it would if I had all of the PowerPoint installed on my computer. So I can also full screen this as well, so that I can get that a bit bigger. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to get this embed code. So let's copy that. Now you'll need some simple kind of way to paste this in somewhere. You might want to use Word or Notes or whatever you want to use really. I'm just using text editor here, so I'm going to paste that into there, and I'm going to take out all of this from the speech marks here all the way down to the ones here by the 2. And that's just because I don't need anything else actually to embed this into Frog, because Frog does all of the rest for you. It actually puts all of those around all of your web links anyway. So let's just get that one, and we're going to copy that. So we just need that bit there. Okay, now let's go into our Frog page here, and we're going to go into our content panel and go into our widgets, and we're going to get the embed website widget. Paste that into there and save my changes. And when I exit, it will load with the frog head and then start instantly loading up the Macbeth presentation here, so I can flick through my slides and go through the presentation as I would in class. So that will keep all any animations and kind of fly-ins and fly-outs that you wanted to have in there as well, and keep all the timing of your slides with it as well. They can also full screen here, so I can just go to full screen if I want to. It will open it in a new browser window for you. So quite nice to be able to use that to actually share some of those PowerPoints online, and it actually looks quite smart as well. So just to show you that how that works with, let's just go back into my Skydrive here and click on done. I've also got this PDF here, so I'm just going to tick that and untick this one, and we're going to embed this one as well. So let's generate that, and we're going to go through the same steps. It's going to load up the Word app here, and this one just nicely scrolls through, so it actually saves me putting lots and lots and lots of links to different pages. I can have lots in one go, so I can copy that now. Again, I'm going to go into my text edit. I can actually just paste over the top of this one. There we go, and I'm taking out everything that's in the speech marks, because that's the only bit I want, all the way up to that 2. Might be a bit of a different number on yours, so just make sure that you're looking out for the closing quotes. So let's just copy that there, go into our Frog page, and I'm going to drag another embed website widget onto here, and we're going to paste that into there and save the changes, and then we can exit the content panel. Both of our web apps will start to load up, and they'll display our work here for Macbeth. So right away I've got my PowerPoint here, And I've also got some study notes here that, yeah, it's a little bit difficult to read in that page, but I can always full screen it, and actually then it will load up nice and big for me. So they don't have to have the software on their computer. They could just load this up, and it works on iPads as well. So it's all HTML5 in there as well. So quite a nice way to be able to display those materials within your sites and just start to share some of those learning materials with your students. Okay, there you go.